didn't think I was gonna post this, but whatever. 72, 75 millimeter precision turbo. It had a little 67, 67. But we turned the power up, or well, we're turning the power up right now. Adrian's in there, fucking it up. So every pass that we've done, a turbo pipe has came on. Compressor side, cold side piping. It's the lighting.
Dude, how many pulls has it came off already?
You ain't got no pipe skills. It's a little, just a little strip. Nothing crazy. So this is Anthony's 350Z single turbo HR. Built engine, it's 901 compression. Pistons, rods. Pretty simple setup. Has an E-Class custom turbo kit, rear mount. This was one of the first E-Class boosted cars.
When you took off right now.
See what she does. That was so much faster than the first one.
That was like 90 pounds.
God damn. That was so much faster than the first one. That sucked me into the sea, bro. Oh shit, that was good.
I'm not going all the way to the RPM. I still gotta get used to it.
Shout out Anthony. Give me his 85, couple gallons. Don't mind if I do.